Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you some work that we're doing in our manufacturing. And this is, I want to show you now a beautiful gate that was just done, ready to go into installation. And just look at this beauty. Look at the perfection, and I'm going to get closer in a minute so you can realize the perfection of this gate. And this gate that is considered to be a wooden gate is actually made out of aluminum. So this thing will require no maintenance for years and years. And we sustain the weather, we sustain rain, we sustain water, sun, and not such as wood that gives a lot of hard time, always break, always being spoiled due to the weather. So we were able to solve this issue after doing wooden gates for years and years, and encounter always maintenance requirements, issues with the wood due to the weather, especially in California where we are, where it can be really hot during the day and then all of a sudden drop like 30 degrees in one go. The wood was going crazy. So look at that. Look how beautiful, all one piece. So the length of each one of those pieces goes all the way without any interruption in the middle. I'll show you the thickness of it. It's going to be a sliding gate, so you can see how thick it is. That's how it looks on the other side. We have the frame. And here it is. This is the situation. So Avi Ben David at Mulholland, 1-800-562-5770. Give me a call if you need help with your gates, fences, pergolas, railings. We can help you with all those things and create really beautiful work for you guys. Thank you very much for watching all our videos. Have a beautiful day.